Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna do a quick little video on this hair that I have in my head. You guys have been asking for an update. I believe it's been like 5-6 months since I've done an update on this hair. I will probably correct it if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's been like 5 months. This is the Cranberry water wave hair in the inches, 20 inches that I did a review on that you guys have been blowing up. So last hair review I did, Cranberry hair, all I can say is this hair has pulled through. So y'all, let me tell you what I had did, right? So this hair came brown and I decided that I wanted it to be black. I wanted it to be black and sexy, you know, mysterious or whatever. So my dumb behind didn't know that you can't really watercolor hair, but black. But you can, but do be prepared for your lace to be dyed black as well. So my dumb behind didn't think anything of it, and so it turned my lace black. Thought we love it. Then on top of it, I went in to go re-bleach it. Turned red. So I have lots of makeup in. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got it concealed pretty well. I've gotten laying lace down pretty darn well, okay? You know, pretty good. But other than that, it went from gray lace to like a tan orangish lace, I guess. And honestly, it's honestly a little bit better than the gray lace prior because now it actually looks like a skin color. But I also take a little bit of concealer and a brush, and I of course put on the inside of my cap, on my cap and on the lace itself, and then I spray it with a little Got2b glue so that way it will stay in place. I did lay it this time with a bow hold, and I don't have any product in my hair this time. It's literally just freshly washed. I did put some shine spray in it just to give it a little bit of luster since it's black. You know, I wanted to give a little bit of shine, but I'm gonna show you what the back looks like. It's 20 inches. It just barely touches my back, but I really love it. I didn't want it to be super sleek this time like in my last video because I just wanted big, full, curly hair. And I feel like it looks the most natural when it is kind of frizzy looking. But yes, this is probably the shortest review on this hair. The downside that like it still sheds, you know, curly hair sheds. I wish Cranberry hair would send me some more hair if they see this video. I hope they send me some more hair because I really love this hair. Like I would really love to test out some more hair, even though the lace was on the gray side. But other than that, the actual hair is beautiful. Like other than the shedding, like for the price of the hair, you can't beat this. Like y'all, you can't beat it. Yes, I know my baby hairs are adult hairs and I don't give a fuck. I like my baby hairs big, especially with curly hair. Like, I like my hair big. Ooh, like you see that? Boom. Cranberry hair, run me some more. Let me be a sponsor or something. I've had one company send me hair and that's it. But like I said, we come with more content. Like I said, you probably came from my Get Ready With Me where you see me with this mug. There's a tutorial. If you come here first, then you need to see my Get Ready With Me where I did this look. And I talk about all the beautiful things and the updates I've had on my life. And yeah, you need to go see that. You also need to go watch my original review on my Cranberry hair. Like I said, I'll have all the descriptions below. I didn't say this prior, but I'm gonna say it now. All the description and stuff will be below. My Instagram, my business page, if you are in the Atlanta area. I am a makeup artist. Come get your makeup done by me. As well as follow my personal page will be down there. That's why I put all my personal life type of things. I will be doing an apartment vlog once I get some more furniture in here. As I'm looking around, need some more furniture, more things to kind of spruce it up and make it feel like home. So you guys will be seeing an apartment tour as well. But yes, get you some cranberry hair. Did I say that again? I'm gonna put the link for this hair in the description below as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am so close to being monetized. That would mean the world to me. I am this close to the monetization requirements when it comes to followers. We just got to get our views up, but we're gonna get there. I'm definitely gonna be posting more content, but like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.